Welcome to a thrilling expedition into the future of transportation. In this captivating journey, we will embark on an exploration of revolutionary advancements, from electric cars to the groundbreaking concept of Hyperloop. Get ready to witness the transformation of how we move, as technology and innovation propel us into a new era of mobility. Our journey begins with the rise of electric cars. Join us as we uncover how these eco-friendly vehicles are reshaping the automotive industry. We'll explore the benefits of electric propulsion, the latest advancements in battery technology, and the growing infrastructure supporting electric vehicle adoption. Discover how electric cars are driving us towards a cleaner, greener future, while providing exciting driving experiences that defy traditional expectations. Buckle up as we venture into the realm of autonomous vehicles, where the driver becomes the passenger. We'll unveil the cutting-edge technologies behind self-driving cars and their potential to transform transportation as we know it. Delve into the sensors, artificial intelligence, and intricate algorithms that enable vehicles to perceive their surroundings and navigate with precision. Learn how autonomy is not only revolutionizing personal transportation but also opening doors to improved safety, increased accessibility, and enhanced urban planning. Prepare for a leap into the future as we explore the concept of Hyperloop. Imagine traveling at near supersonic speeds in a network of low-pressure tubes, propelling you from one city to another in record time. We'll dive into the engineering marvels, magnetic levitation, and vacuum technology that make Hyperloop a visionary mode of transportation. Discover its potential to connect distant cities, reduce travel times, and redefine the way we perceive long-distance commuting. Hold on tight as we embark on a thrilling ride into the future of transportation. Our exploration of the future of transportation takes us to the skies as we uncover the advancements in sustainable aviation. Learn how the aviation industry is embracing electric propulsion, biofuels, and hybrid technologies to reduce its environmental impact. We'll explore the possibilities of electric planes, vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft, and the quest for zero-emission air travel. Discover how the skies of tomorrow can be greener, quieter, and more sustainable than ever before. As our journey nears its end, we'll shift our focus to the concept of mobility as a service, MaaS. Explore how integrated platforms and on-demand services are revolutionizing urban transportation. Discover the convenience of ride-sharing, bike-sharing, and seamless multimodal connectivity. We'll explore how MaaS can reduce congestion, optimize transportation resources, and enhance the overall quality of urban life. Dear travelers of the future, we have reached the end of this exhilarating expedition into the future of transportation. As you drift off into a realm of dreams, may the visions of electric cars, autonomous vehicles, Hyperloop, and sustainable aviation inspire you. Reflect on the transformative potential of these advancements and envision a world where transportation is cleaner, faster, and more accessible. Rest easy, knowing that the future of transportation is not just a distant dream but a tangible reality that awaits us. Let the promises of sustainable mobility fuel your imagination, and may your slumber be filled with excitement for the extraordinary future that lies ahead. In this remarkable era of transportation, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where electric cars dominate the streets, where autonomous vehicles whisk us effortlessly to our destinations, where Hyperloop networks connect cities at unimaginable speeds, and where sustainable aviation takes flight with minimal environmental impact. It's a future where mobility is seamlessly integrated, accessible to all, and built upon the foundations of innovation and sustainability. As you drift into a peaceful sleep, envision a world where transportation is not just a means of getting from point A to point B, but a transformative experience that enhances our lives, strengthens communities, and safeguards our planet. Embrace the excitement of the unknown, for the future of transportation is full of possibilities waiting to be realized. May your dreams carry you to a world where innovation and sustainability coexist harmoniously, where technology serves humanity, and where transportation becomes a catalyst for progress. Rest easy, knowing that the future is in motion, and the journey towards a better tomorrow has already begun. Good night, and may your slumber be filled with the wonders of the future of transportation.